What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Something came in the mail for Cardi B today, so we're gonna get her backed up into the garage so we can get it installed. Let's get her started up. Wow. I already opened the box because I'm impatient and it fell. Today we're going to be installing some Spyder, you guessed it, tail lights. To start off, you're going to take off these two screws. Do it however you want. Nice. Then you're gonna pull the tail light out. They come out on an angle. It's not like straight one way. Hold up, I'm gonna use two hands. Ta-da. And you're gonna want to twist out the two bulbs. Old one is out. And then you're gonna take the main headlight and turn it around to go to the top, because before the main headlight was on the bottom and the reverse light was on the top, but on these the main tail light is on the top and the reverse light is on the bottom. So you just want to switch these around, this two little bar right here, and then you're gonna pull out this bulb and either get an LED bulb. I'm gonna use the stock one for now, but I'm probably gonna upgrade to an LED bulb for the reverse light. And then yeah, take this bulb out and plug it in to there. So I got this side all on, I got the light bulbs in. I didn't screw it down yet, but the only thing that I would say, because nice wind, the only thing I'd say to do is, because I've been having trouble trying to get that reverse light in. If you look right here, when you take this off, it'll have a blue rubber grommet going all the way around it. You put that over the bulb and then you try to put it on, because it won't go on it if you don't have that grommet on. So make sure you take that grommet off and put it on the new one. That's the only issue I had. Other than that, everything slides right in and plug and play. It's pretty easy. Then once you get these two bolts tightened back down, you're done. Simple as that. Now time to do the other side. just like that, you're done. Ooh, those look cool. Now these are the Spyder tail lights with the plasma bulb and the LED. They don't come with the LED reverse lights, but you can buy those aftermarket. Definitely think this is a good choice. I like the plasma bulb because it makes it look like a newer style truck, I guess. It looks newer than what it is in the back now. Now I'm gonna get the truck pulled out of the garage so I can show you guys what it looks like in the daylight, and then I'm gonna wait till nighttime and show you guys what it looks like at night. I'm assuming they're gonna be really, really bright. They're LED. I've never had LED tail lights before, so that's gonna be pretty cool. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Comment down below what you thought about the new tail lights. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.